How to clear clipboard on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to teach you how you can clear your clipboard on iPhone. But first open the Notes app and type something random. For example, I'll type in hi, how are you? And then I'll copy the text. Now, once I've copied it, hope over to the Shortcuts app. If you don't have it, make sure to download it from the App Store. It's a default Apple app, so it should be easy to find. And once you're in the Shortcuts, go to the gallery option on the bottom right, and there on the search bar, type in clipboard. So, once you type in clipboard, search for adjust clipboard shortcut. So, once you find it, tap on the plus icon and tap on it. Here, tap on add shortcut. And once you've done that, go to your shortcuts and here type on adjust clipboard. And once you tap on it, you'll be able to see your text and just you can delete it and tap on done. And there you go. Now you can put any content that you want here. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.